All right, we've got natural gas falling further in its bearish retracement as it confirms a breakdown below the 38.2% retracement and an internal uptrend line. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. You could see attempted breakdown yesterday, followed through today, continues to trade near the lows of the day, which is 383, and looks to be heading towards this 50% retracement zone at 373, which may soon converge, or I should say the moving averages may soon converge with that price zone. Nevertheless, down to the 50 moving average orange at 371 would be a price zone. So 373 to 371 roughly, and we'll have to see how price behaves around this. This is the more likely area to find support and a bounce. If it is broken, then lower targets become likely. This is a weekly low right here, so a break below this weekly low at 355 then has natural gas heading down towards some of these other lower price levels. Now, before we end the week, though, let's take a quick look at the week. We're ending the week as an inside week and at the low of the week. So a breakdown below this week's low of 383 will trigger next week a breakdown of an inside week. And then we have the monthly chart. So we go to the monthly chart. You can see the monthly chart is closing weaker than it could. We have a series of higher monthly highs and higher monthly lows starting back here and continuing into this month. But this month, as the previous 2 months, the close has been either at the 50% level or below the 50% level, showing relative weakness on a monthly time frame. And you can see that the close on each of the months has been below the orange 50-month moving average. And this month looks like the same is going to happen. So the moving average is currently at 385. So what does this mean? Well, it doesn't necessarily mean anything yet, other than it may be representing downward selling pressure, which could increase the degree of the current bearish retracement. Just something to keep in mind. Going back to the daily now. Okay, so we have that as the main support, and then the 61.8% retracement aligns with this weekly low at 356, 355 zone, and so that's going to be another key area. So if we break these moving averages, then the odds increase that we're going to at least test these lows and possibly break through those lows. So the first key area then remains the 371. Let's see what happens there. All right, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great weekend.